Hey everybody, what is going on? And I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add a new page to your Wix website. So let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I'm on the dashboard for one of my sites. And once you're here, what you're going to want to do is click on Design Site and open up your website editor. Now, thankfully, I have it already opened for a previous tutorial. That plus I opened it already so that I don't have to wait for it to load. But as you can see, this is what my site looks like. It's just a template that I've used. It really doesn't matter what it is. But to add a new page, it's actually a really simple process. What you want to do from here is click on Pages and Menu over here. And as you can see, you can see a list of all your pages. From here, you can click on Add Menu Item and click on New Page. From here, you can select a preset or a template from all of these pages, and you can use whatever you want. You can add a blog, you can add a store, you can add bookings, restaurants, pricing plans, portfolio, use whatever you want. You can add about pages, service pages, projects, contact, general, landing pages, and 404 error pages, or you can just add a blank page. Once you click whatever you want, it'll just create that page really quickly. As you can see at the top, it's currently at that page. It'll bring you a prompt so that you can name the new page, and I'll just name it test and click done, and then you can drag it by priority on the menu where you want it to be, and that is pretty much it. Now, as you can see in this list, I have the test page, which I can very easily go to by clicking on it, and that is all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.